Namaste. Hi kids. Hope everyone had tried the last week's session. To become a super kid, we need to have more practice. So are you ready? So here we go. First is the offering to the god or the salutation. So for that, sit erect and palms together, palate to your chest. This is Anjali Mudra, and give the bowing. Come to the center of your mat and stand erect. Raise your palms up to the shoulder level and close to each other. This is the center position to start, and this is 1 and this is 2. So here we start 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then take your hands down, interlock your fingers upon the chest. Hand stretch pattern first is the horizontal. So here it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next is the inclined. So here it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next, above your head, vertical, 1. Give a nice stretch. Your biceps should touch your ears. After that, 2. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. After that, come to the relaxation position. Your feet apart, shoulder collapsed, normal breath and closed eyes for a few seconds. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks. Come to the Sthiti, your feet close to each other and stand erect. Next is a kicking pattern to improve the strength over your thighs as well as hamstrings. For that, take your right leg up. Your hamstring should be parallel to the ground. Then here it starts a kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then gently get it down. Long inhale and long exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Then kicking to the other side. Take your left leg up. And here it starts a kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then gently get it back to the normal position. Then come to the Sidila Tadasana, relaxation. Your feet apart, shoulder collapsed, closed eyes and normal breath. Again come to the Sthiti slowly. Your feet close to each other. Next is a circle drawing. Circle drawing with the legs to improve the strength over your Achilles tendon and ankle region. Take your right leg forward and start drawing your circle in clockwise direction outward. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse direction 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and gently get back. Long inhale and long exhale. Again inhale, again exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. To the other side, gently take your left leg forward. Then to inward circle 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Reverse direction or outward circle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Gently get back to the normal position. Get into the Sidila Tadasana or relaxation. Your feet apart, closed eyes, shoulder collapsed and normal breath. Gently open your eyes with a few blinks and to the Sthiti. Get back to the back side of your mat. Move to the back and from there onto the knees. Gently sit on your heels. This is Vajrasana. Be in Vajrasana for a few seconds. Your palm lying on the thighs. Open your eyes. From the Vajrasana, we are moving to Parvadasana. So here we look how it performs. Correct your posture in Vajrasana. Your spine should be erect. From there, moving to the Shashankasana. That is step 1. So come to the Shashankasana. This is 1. And 2. To the foreleg, this is 2 and 3. Lift your body up and take your heels to the ground. Your head hanging freely. This is Parvadasana. This is the 3rd step. Be in Parvadasana for a few seconds. Again, coming to the 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. After that, get into Shashangasana and lie for a few minutes. Just be in Shashangasana for at least 2 minutes. Gently retrieve the Shashangasana and get into Vajrasana. Release your right leg first, then left leg. And be in sitting posture relaxation, that is Sidila Dandasana. Your feet apart, body inclined backward and head hanging freely. From there, slowly to the Shavasana. Lie on your back. Your feet apart, hands away from the body and palm facing the roof. Try to bring a sweet smile on your face. Relax completely. Be in Shavasana for at least 10 minutes. Do practice your yoga every day. Listen to the words of your parents as well. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.